You know what time it is. Let's get Crackalacking squad. What's Crackalacking peeps, fam, brothers, sisters? Got an unboxing today. 6 cents. You know it, baby. We got the 6 cents December box. Now, first off, before we even get into anything, the packaging on this thing, this is marvelous. If you buy an MTB box, not to put any hate or anything bad towards these other companies, but 6 cents, the velvet, I like this velvet bag, you know, it's reusable, you know, so that's an add-on with this bag, which I'm really liking right here. Just give y'all a heads up about this, I'm really liking this, so. Probably keep camera, you know, little stuff on here. Really liking the bag. But either than that, welcome to the Crackalacking channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that like button down below. Last video, top right hand corner of your screen. If you want to watch the last video, we did an unboxing on the MTB tackle box, January box. So if you guys want to see that, I have a playlist coming out. If you guys want to see that on all my MTB boxes, make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Look at my playlist. I have an MTV box playlist coming soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I guess no more talking. Let's just get what you came for, the unbox. You know how we do things around here. Close eyes. Ain't no favorite picking. First bait. We have a curve 55 from 6 cents. We got the curve 55 from 6 cents, 3/8 ounce. It does 5 to 9 feet. It's 57 millimeters long, and it is called a curve crank. Has a little sexy shad tone into it. Really great colors. Now, for this small of a bait to dive 5 to 9 feet is really excellent because it's a small bait, which really is small bait is really gonna get down deep down in the rocks and really hit all those rocks and really think this is a real shad compared to using a bigger profile and getting deep down in there. So, might catch you a lot of fish. Not big ones, all of them. But you know how we do things. Next bait. Ooh. Got the Stroker Crawl 3.3s from 6 cents. Now, opinion on these. Have not used them. Have not seen a YouTuber use them. So, you know, we gonna test these out, baby. These joints are looking bomb. What color is this? Junebug red? Oh yeah, never heard of that color. But other than that, next bait. You saw my first reaction? Yeah. You guys know what this is. This is divine shit from me. Oh my god, I was waiting on this. I was actually thinking about purchasing some. This bag came in clutch. Guys. If you look at the details on these divine swim jigs, you cannot go wrong with the 6 cent swim jigs right here on the Crackalacking channel. Remember, if you guys always want any of these baits or any of my tackle unboxings that I do, it will be linked down in the link in the description. So if you guys want to pick up yourself a divine swim jig, 1/4 ounce, and what I also like about this is the screw lock. So it's pretty good bait. Just really excited for this bait, and the color of this bait is a Cajun bluegill, but you know how we do things. Next bait. Ooh, got yourself some divine swim baits. Now hold on, remember the last bait? Bring that right back in. Sexy. Just one word, sexy. No if, no buts, no bouts about it. Things is looking good, looking juice. Perfect swim bait. So it's 3.8. It's baby bluegill color. I love how it has the little rig at the bottom, which most soft plastics do, where you can keep the hook in place. But really solid. Look like some really solid 6 cents baits. But you guys know how we do things. Come on, say it with me. 3, 2, 1. You got it. It's getting a little light here. We got a couple baits left. Ooh. This is a Speed Glide 100. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is a glide bait look like it'll do some damage. It has a little plopper tail with the hair at the end, swim bait style action, gold color. I like how they added the eyes to look down. Really looks like a minnow, so it's really looking good. Next bait. Alright guys, we have a square build. This is a color baby shad. Now, this bait color pattern is excellent. Excellent job, 6 Sims. Look at the color pattern as it goes from the front of the fish all the way to the back. You see the little rainbow style colors on the back of the spine, which is really crucial during those sunny days and when that sun is coming through the water and it's flaring off those different colors. It's really going to look shiny in that water. It's really going to attract a lot of attention. On those little bluegill, whatever, and that big bass comes to strike, there you go. Now you got 10 pounder.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
So I think there's only one bait left. So let's go ahead and pull that out. We have a lipless crankbait. We have the Quake Thud 70 Pumpkin Kiss Sunfish. Now, I would probably throw this bait in muddy water. I'm gonna tell you why. Anything with that little reels across the bait like that, like if you guys, I'm gonna pop a picture on the screen. If you guys saw my mystery, not my mystery tackle, but my tackle, on my tackle, I had a mud bug from Guggen Squad. They call it a mud bug for a reason. It's because there are stripes on the back of on the side of the fish basically, and the green eyes. Can't go wrong with this bait in mud water or cloudy day. Can't go wrong with this bait. This bait is going to attract a lot of attention. Good looking bait to me. No more baits. If I had to rate all this tackle, I would rate all this stuff, the whole box of stuff, I would give this really a 9. The reason why I'm giving this a 9 because they gave us, now I like brands that give you at least like 3 crankbaits, because you know how crankbaits go unless you buy them 1.5. You know how them crankbaits go, man. Like this is killer, this is killer. Like especially this glide bait, I like how they're giving you more options that you can throw compared to soft plastics and little small finesse lures. So I really like that from 6 Sims. Also like the pack that I haven't seen this yet. Pack this actually gave you swim baits that you can actually use for trailers, not the little small ones, like actual size swim baits that you can actually use. I really like that too. I like how they also gave us some chauffeur crawls. Let's actually go ahead and open this up. See what these things looking like, so I can give you guys a closer up look of this June bug red. So what I really guys notice about their baits is they make their baits salty, and compared to all the other baits I ever fished with in my life, I don't know baits that you actually use salt, which is not a bad thing. You know, it really helps with durability. You know, so I really love that how they give you a lot of these and they make it with salt, so they couldn't break easily. Compared to, I'm not gonna say any names, but compared to other brands, if I use one lure one time, you guys know what I'm talking about. Those good bomb lures, but they're breaking like 2 fish. You know, so I really like how they give you a lot of these and they're made out of salt, a lot of salt compared to oily and greasy stuff. Really like that from 6 Sims. I'm just really loving this color. It's the color, the June bug. But also, guys, I wanted to give you a close-up look on this divine swim jig. Let me get you a close-up on the eye, on the head of that jig. Really looking good. The brush does come past the bob wire, so that's how you know a bait if it's a jig, if it's weedless. Like that from 6 Sims. Also loving this bait. Keep it up, 6 Sims.